This machine is our GD-16 knife washing and grinding machine. This machine comes with 9 pieces of furniture. 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge. 5颗 a scale for my hand foot. 2 hexagon wrenches. Here is the 3到5毫米 knife washing and grinding port. It is used when slotting. Special attention is paid here. When grinding the back feet, gaskets of corresponding specifications must be added. Suppose we sharpen a 6到8毫米 knife. Is to find this gasket 6到8毫米, put it on. Just to grind the hand feet. You can tune this in a bit. When grinding the end face, grind a little more. This GD-16 knife washing and grinding machine. Grind 2 blades, 3 blades and 4 blades.